Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Friday Charity TV. I greet you with your time. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so whenever I upload video, you will be notified. If you are subscribed already, God bless you, my people. Another tori don come again. Una no say anything just dey waka fiu. I go come sit down, come still shook my mouth put. My people, the tori wey come today, it tire me. The thing dey weak me. It dey weak me. I say no, I no go see this video alone. Make I no talk about am. I must share am make my people still say it go still help many people. This boy just go Naija, go do Christmas and New Year. His friends dey up poisoner. Like really? Like seriously? Who does that? Una no suffer wey dey this Europe. Una no suffer to come stay camp, come wait for documents, come fight for documents, come carry lawyer, come do this one, come do that one. After all those stress, all those pains, no be as the boy take come from Libya, no be they come they talk again. No, people wey pass that route, una no suffer wey dey there. That road na journey of no, as in no going back. Na be that journey, that Libya route. If you don't enter that road, just dey look front, not dey look back. Na be that Libya route. Person go don fit pass and finish. The person go come enter house. He go come enter Europe. He go come fight for documents. He go come fight for work. He go come still gather money. He go say make he go Nigeria, go celebrate Christmas with his family. People go come still get BP for the boy. People go come still get bad belle for the boy. Una think say e easy to go Europe, get documents and come back? People dey here for 10 years, 15 years, they no get even the one wey they think they waka, that 6 months sojourner. People no get. They no get. E no easy for that boy. After all the pains, all the suffer, he go home to do Christmas, his friends come poison her. Like really? Like seriously? Wetin you go get bad belle for person say he come from abroad? Wetin you go get that bad belle for? I don't know wetin that our country dey turn into, Oh, person go dey fear to go home again in your father's land. Person go dey fear. This place wey we cannot be our father's land. We must still go home, go visit home one day. Why una go dey get bad belle say person come from abroad? Una not supposed get that bad belle. If it easy, una still go follow that same road where that boy follow. No, they get a big BP for the person say the person come from abroad. Una no they let that thing they pain una heart. If it easy, una still go now. Una still go on her own. Those people wey do that, they no go ever go unpunished. They no go unpunished. They no go unpunished. That route no easy. Not be everybody self wey even dey this Europe they remember home. Not be everybody. The ones wey still remember home, wey still appreciate his friends, still come home, cause say make go hang out with his friends. Una go still appreciate that person, because not be everybody go do like that. Some people, once they don't come from abroad, their shoulder go high, they go they feel pompous. Those their friends when they felt there before, they go forget those their friends. They go say me and those are not get level. They go say their level don't change. But una see person wey come, we see take una as una fair be before. Una come plan, una come send na RIP. E no good at all. My people, e no good. E no good. Make una not dey vex for people we come from abroad. If person still come from abroad now, he no get money, he just say make he come greet. They go they laugh and they go say how many years in Europe, he not build that, he not buy car, he not do this one, he not do that one. My people no be like that. Person come from abroad no mean say he don't carry everyone at earth come. The fact say una see una family member wey go Europe or we go abroad, na see una family member or una friend we go abroad, una see and he come back alive, safe and sound. He come still greet una even supposed to be happy to even see the person. Una supposed to be happy. Yes, una supposed to dey happy say, this person don't come. Oh, thank God we see am. Una go dey happy say, thank God the day alive for we don't see am. To even see am, una supposed to dey happy. No, una will not be like that. People wey dey come for abroad, una just expect heaven and earth from them. Make they just pack everything, come Naija. Who come now say you no get anything for pocket? Una go dey laugh. Even if family members go abandon am. They go abandon and say, how many years in abroad? You know if you come with money. For the fact say your brother come or your sister come safe and sound, you know feel happy say you see your sister. Even parents they do this thing. If their children come from abroad, they don't get money, they go hate, they no go like that their pikin. You were born pikin, you know journey whether your pikin pass. He come safe, he dey healthy. You no go happy say you see your pikin alive? You no go happy? Make una stop all these things. All this kind of news wey person dey see, e go dey make person dey fear to go that country. E go dey make person dey fear to go that country. Person fear dey fear say if he come from abroad now, maybe they go for road, make they no come wele them for road. Make they no come wele their motor wey they enter for road. Person go dey fear esme, person go dey fear different things, person go dey fear wishes and wizards for Nigeria. Why be say everything just gba una obo? Everything just dey una finger for that country Nigeria. Everything just dey una finger. All the baba things wey this life gets, e dey that Nigeria. Even uncles, aunties, they go dey vex say their sister or their brother children dey progress. They go dey vex. Now uncles they do this thing pass. If they get brother wey be say he pikin dey abroad, just the same money come, they go dey vex. They go find one thing or the other to take send that person RIP. Even though the pikin can't greet them for home, they go dey do nose like hey, welcome. If they hug you for back, they go look you with bad eye. Like really? Like really? You no feel happy for your sister say our children they progress? You no feel happy for your brother say his children they progress? Make una still dey like good thing for that country. Make una still dey like good thing. Make una still dey embrace good thing. No be everything una go take wicked. Woman go don, the only she go don train her children. When she dey suffer, follow that children. Uncle no come, auntie no come, brother no come, sister no come, friends no come out to come join her train the children. By the time she don suffer, struggle, send one go abroad. That one don send money come, make dem take build house. The day wey dem wan open house, or the day to when the night to the day wey dem wan go open that house, they go see say the person mama no wake up again, the person papa no wake up again. Woman wey don suffer, una no go let her reap the fruit of her labor. Make una still labor for una own children to be like that. Don't be jealous. That country na jealousy too much. Una jealousy too much for that country Nigeria. It's just too much. Yes. Now jealousy then they cause all those things. Because if they know they jealous, you know go dey their mind to send person RIP. You know, they happy for person. Celebrate with people when they celebrate, so that when your time come, people will still join you celebrate. Make una dey happy. Make una dey live as one for that country Nigeria. Make una dey live as one. No. People wey come for Europe, I beg, make una dey leave them alone. Make una dey leave them alone. They don't pass Libya. Libya no chop there. They pass desert no chop there. They pass sea no chop there. They come Europe no chop there. They enter flight go Nigeria, flight no chop them. Now that Nigeria, that country where we supposed to be our brother's keeper, now you can chop them, swallow them. It's not fair, my people. It's not really dey fair at all. Make una change this una ways. Make una change make una stop to the jealous. Make una stop to the jealous one another. Dey happy for person. If person dey progress, ask am. what is the source of this your progress? Tell am, the person go put you through than say you can't get bad belle, you can't dey jealous. One thing wey they don't know for this life be say you feel wish to become person, but you can never be that person. Even if you say me you send that person RIP, you send an RIP, you no go fit be that person. Brain wey that person gets, you no go fit go change am to your brain. That person face, you no go fit change am to your face. That person body, you no go fit change am to your body. You no go fit become that person. You go just try, you go only try to act like that person, but you can never be that person. Let's stop jealousy in that country. Let's stop killing ourselves. Let's embrace peace. Please, my Nigerians, make we embrace peace. If person come house, come celebrate. For person to come house, if you know say he don't miss the country, he come house, more na let the person still dey come back to Europe where he from come now. I beg. All these things, e no fair. See you guys in my next video. Till I come your way next time, I remain your baby girl, Friday Charity. Bye bye all.